Hi. So we are here to discuss about the SPA assignment 1, which is given the requirement to create a community application for an organization. For example, we will take it as an XYZ company. When it comes to community app, it is like an Facebook of public domain. Similar kind of thing needs to be created for the internal purpose. The employees to log in and create the postings and upload images and videos, share it, like it, and comment on it, and also one-on-one messaging and group messaging. These are all kind of features, workflow features required in the platform. As a capacity, needs to be created for 1 million users, and it should be scalable up to 1 billion users when more users keep adding on to the platform. As an additional feature, the analytics and reporting function is also required for the HR and higher management, you know, seeing the solution on what kind of content is being shared or liked or commented most. When come to the technology design decisions, I've given in detail of all the components, but the solution is intended to be deployed in Azure cloud. So that's the reason I've chosen all the services which is of open source or Azure native services. So the client application can be the mobile based app, which is Android or iOS, and web browsers. And the database management system can be Azure SQL or Cosmos DB for the structured and for unstructured and semi-structured. We'll be using big data because of the volume and the processing speed to handle this kind of solution. And compute services, of course, we are considering Azure App Services because it's cloud native, easily scalable, and which is maintaining through Azure DevOps. It's easy. And we are using the data analytics platform as a Azure Synapses, which comes with a full set of the Apache, Spark, Kafka, and all the MapReduce functions. So other design decisions like the SDLC methodology, we have chosen agile methodology, which is more of sprint based, and we can come up with a minimal viable product or prototype in a very quick and faster manner compared to a waterfall. And also the development and maintenance through a DevOps platform, which is Azure DevOps. And coming to the logical architecture, as I said, the data sources can be of three types: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. And integration, of course, we will be using a ETL, and the messaging and the API are all the services which we use for integration purpose. And the data storage will be of distributed file system, which is Hadoop based. And the analytics layer has the querying and reporting function, as we know. And MapReduce is the one which helps to do the distributed processing in the Hadoop layer. And the presentation layer, which is the client interaction through a mobile app or a web browser. So how we deployed this logical architecture in Azure services. So we need an express route to connect from on-prem to the Azure region, because it's a private application community service. May or may not be able to access through public domain. So that's the reason we need an express route, and which is more secure and faster to connect to the cloud. And we'll connect through a load balancer, and we'll be using Azure App Services, configuring CDN as well, because it will help you to improve the performance and uh, uh, to the users. And the maintenance and deployment of this application will be through Azure DevOps, and the storage will be Azure Blob Storage, because it's all contents are like object types, videos and photos. And of course, the data processing and data file system will be the Hadoop, Apache Spark cluster, and HBase cluster, and the analytics layer, which is inbuilt the API and reporting function, which is basically from Azure Synapses Analytics services. Thank you.